Hi, welcome to Easy Academy channel. Today we are going to look into Business Studies 1.1 Understanding Business Activity. Topics covered in this session will be concepts of needs, wants, scarcity and opportunity costs, purpose of business, specialization and added value. Now let's take a look at those concepts. Needs. It refers to goods or services that we need in order to live, such as clothing, food and water. Wants refers to goods or services which people would like to have but are not essential for living, such as car and luxury holiday. There are unlimited wants, but there are limited resources to produce them. Resources refers to land, labor, capital, and enterprise. Limited resources lead to scarcity. Opportunity costs, the next best choice given up by choosing another item. Example, business choose to produce product A and given up to produce product B due to limited resources. Therefore, product B is the opportunity cost for product A. In summary, when there are unlimited wants but there are limited resources, it will occur a situation where we call as scarcity. When scarcity happened, business need to make choice that leads to opportunity costs. Business purpose therefore combines scarce resources to produce goods and services, produces goods and services which are needed to satisfy the needs and wants of the population, employs people as workers and pays them wages to allow them to buy and consume products in the market. Another concept that we need to understand in business activity is specialization. It refers to when people and business focus on what they are best at. Example, specialization for people such as geography teacher, civil engineer, instead of just calling them teacher or engineer. Business, like Ritz-Carlton, focuses on hotel service and Cathay Pacific focuses on flight service. Specialization can help business to be efficient and keep costs low, which is good for competition. The concept of specialization can also be linked to division of labor. Division of labor refers to a group of workers or a worker is in charge of a specific task in order to increase efficiency. However, there are advantages and disadvantages when we look into division of labor. First, advantages. Workers are trained in one task leads to higher efficiency and output. Second advantage, save time by not moving workers from one workstation to another. Thirdly, quicker and cheaper to train workers as they are focused in certain area only. Disadvantages, workers can become bored by doing only one task. If one worker is absent, no one else can do the job. Production may need to stop. Okay, now we move on to another important concept that is adding value. What is adding value? Now, added value is the difference between the selling price of a product and the cost of material. For example, one piece of cake sold at $50 and the cost of making this cake is $20. So the added value here is $30. However, bear in mind that added value is not profit as it does not take into account expenses like wages and rental. It only takes into account the cost of raw material. Okay, value has been added to the raw material which attracted the customers to buy at a given price. In here, the value added was a beautiful decorated cake that the customer is willing to pay $50 for it. Okay, now to increase added value, a business can either increase the selling price of product while keeping the total cost of materials the same. However, to ensure the customers willing to pay for the increased price, for example, for a restaurant, it can improve its customer service, menu, and decoration. Second method, decrease the cost of materials while keeping the same selling price of the product. However, business needs to be careful with the quality of the cheaper material. Please subscribe if you like our video to motivate us to continue producing good teaching video. Please leave your comments or questions and we will try our very best to reply. Thank you.